faster in the microwave, right?
I mean, yeah. Oh, you're videoing this right now. You're loony.
What do you mean I'm loony?
My
I'm
wife
serious.
is crazy.
Like, it would be like beef jerky or turkey jerky.
Yeah, just about.
But I swear it'd be faster in the microwave than in the oven.
It would. It would be indeed.
So why can't we cook our turkey in the microwave then? Maybe I should tell your mom to cook it in the microwave.
I'm glad my mother isn't making turkey.
What is she making?
Cranberry meatballs?
Oh, because you guys don't do a turkey you guys do like sandwiches.
Yeah, it's smorgasbord.
Maybe she can make the meatballs in the microwave. We could put like a 25-pound meatball in the microwave.
You have fun with that.
Why? What do you think would happen?
What is this?
What do you think would happen?
What is this?
What is what? Oh.
Brian is my husband.
Indeed.
Oh my god.
What did he say?
You said Brian is my husband, and then you said, I don't know, you'll have to talk with Jay Pridham about that one. And Aviana Hirnison, whoever the heck that is, said, I'm pretty sure he is my future husband. My gosh, you're crazy.
So yeah, I think we should make the. What? Like, how would you eat a 25-pound meatball?
With a fork and knife? What other question are you asking? I'm very confused.
So I could make the 25-pound meatball in the microwave and then eat it with a fork
No,
and
you
knife?
cannot make a 25-pound meatball in the microwave.
Why
You
not?
crazy woman.
I think it would be really delicious.
I think you're mistaken.
You could put the barbecue sauce and the cranberry sauce in the microwave with it.
I'm sure it would taste absolutely disgusting.
But it might taste good if you never tried it before.
You're correct. I've never tried it before. That would not be wrong. Don't have any desire to do that.
Well, I was just thinking, it might be better. Your phone died.
It did. Let's go inside.